We're back!
This is Gail, your cutie Gen Z.
And this is Ivan, your adventurista ng bayan.
And welcome to the 4th episode of the Mahagnao Volcano Natural Park Naturally Cool Video Vlog. Ivan, nasa 4th episode na tayo. Saan nga ulit yung mga napuntahan na natin?
We are already done with Lake Malagsum, the Vulcan area, at syempre, yung Lake Matigbaw na nasa likod natin. Saan naman tayo papunta ngayon?
From here, we have to retrace our steps down the road and we will go to the Calor Hot Spring where the water is so hot and so cool. Tulad ng Burauen, naturally cool.
So sit back and relax and join us as we embark on another exciting and naturally cool adventure here at the Mahagnao Volcano Natural Park.
We are now here at the start of the trail going to Calor Hot Spring. It would take us an hour of leisurely walk to reach it.
For this episode, we will be joining the LGU Best Project Science team who are doing a trail resource assessment and monitoring or TRAM.
Yes, you will join us, but you should change what you're wearing for your own protection. Aside from earth colors, you should be wearing long sleeves and are covered as much as possible.
Yes, importante niya para dili kita ngadto masamad, magka-rashes ng katul-katul didto ha trail. Kay some areas didto mas taas pa kaysa akon ang mga cogon grasses.
That is a very good advice, Ivan, dahil sensitive ang skin ko.
Ako nga rin eh. Kaya tara, magpalit na tayo.
Ito, Kuya Jetro, Kuya JP, pwede na ba ito?
And now, we are already starting the trail. Kaya kayo dyan, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara, samahan nyo kami.
Before we start our trek down to Calor Hot Spring, we would like to mention an interesting fact. The women of the Mahagnao Volcano Natural Park Ecotourism Association helped construct this graded trail, which has made it easier to go to the hot spring and back. They helped haul the sand and gravel, rigged an improvised water delivery system, and molded the steps of the graded trail.
Wow! Astig!
Astig talaga sila. We call that woman power.
Correct ka dyan. Pero, tara na. If you want to go, take a ride with me.
Anong ride? Walk tayo, walk. Halika na.
Ang TG naman ito.
Ivan, look at this. Do you know what is it?
Rose? Joke lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan.
Sabi ng Best Project Science team, that plant is the crepe ginger with its scientific name. Wait. Kilikostos speciosus.
No opening of notes. Ano ka ba?
The crepe ginger has many uses. Its rhizomes is used to treat fever, earache, bronchial complaints, headache, boils, constipation, and even leprosy.
Look here at the Gail. Come here. This is interesting. Now, what do you see?
The tree has another set of leaves growing on its trunk.
No. That is another plant. Those leaves with lots of small white roots are that of an orchid, while this tree is called as a pualig tree. That orchid is called an epiphyte.
An epiphyte is a plant that grows on another plant but is not parasitic or does not kill its host plant. Examples are orchids, air plants, ferns, and bromeliads. They are not parasitic because they depend only on the host plant for support, not for food. Epiphytes get moisture and nutrients from the air or from water that collects on the host plant.
Wow! Akala ko ang kahoy may dalawang klase ng dahon. I am amazed! How about you guys? Are you also amazed? I am sure you are, but this is not the only amazing sight here. So, let's go! Ivan, wait. We really need to stop and show our viewers that one.
Yes, we should. In fact, this plant is very much part of our local food culture.
Yes, you are correct. Pero hindi natin siya kinakain, ha?
This is the hagikik plant, which is related to the arrowroot plant. Here in Burauen and in many parts of the region, the hagikik is used to wrap our favorite suman latik, sagmani, arasip, and other delicacies instead of using the banana leaves. Aside from being its wrapper, the hagikik is said to also impart a particular flavor to the food.
Ivan, do you hear what I hear?
A song, high above the trees with a voice as big as the sea.
Hindi. Nangaasar ka na naman eh. Pero, that is a nice Christmas song. Malapit ng Pasko, napapanahon. But what I mean is, I am hearing the sound of gushing water, which means...
Malapit na tayo. Tara, malapit na tayo. Sa wakas, nandito na tayo. Sandali nga, ang dumi-dumi ng kamay ko.
Ivan, push! Napasok ka?
Hindi naman, okay lang. Sanay na akong masaktan. Pero next time, check the water first ha. Hindi na usong pagpapakatanga.
Kaya nga, nakita ko anong nangyari sa'yo. This is an ecologically sensitive area, and if not for the best project science team doing a tram here, Ivan and I will have no business in this part of Calor Hot Spring. That said, our dear viewers, we want to...
Uy, bago yan. Explain muna natin sa kanila kung ano yung TRAP o Trail Resource Assessment and Monitoring.
That's a good idea. Kahit ako gusto ko ring itanong yan dahil bawat bata may tanong. Ba't ganito?
O siya. Tanungin na natin si na Kuya JP at Kuya Jet. Dami mo ng arte.
Tram is a method used to assess and gather data along the trail. It is a simplified process in conducting an inventory of attractions, geophysical resources, and biodiversity in a certain area. Like here, we will make a transect plot. We will record all the plants and animals present in this area.
Ano it gamit it tram? Kaya ano kailangan buhaton nga ni it tram?
Data generated by a tram is used to better monitor the natural resources along a trail with conservation as primary purpose. The same data also helps our guides in enriching their storytelling for better visitor experience.
Napaka-importante naman talaga ng tram. At para makapagsimula na kayo sa tram, Kuya JP at Kuya Jethro. Uy, Ate Gail, sa'yo na!
Ay, ako na pala?
This small hole where very hot water is gurgling out is a great example of the kind of power that is underneath the earth. Locals said they even cooked hard-boiled eggs here every time they came to Calor, whose waters they say has healing properties and can cure sorts of skin diseases.
Hey, Ivan, I know that one.
It's a pitcher plant. That is a very dangerous and a very rare plant.
The pitcher plant usually grows on acidic soil, which means it thrives in nutrient-poor land. It obtains its food by capturing insects and other prey by means of modified pitcher-shaped leaves that function as passive pitfall traps. The insects caught inside the leaves would eventually die and be dissolved by the acidic liquid inside each leaf. They would then be digested and the plant would absorb the nutrients.
At last, at nakita ko na rin itong famous spot ng Calor Hot Spring. When we talk of Calor Hot Spring, this is what is mostly shown.
Oo nga! Kaya tara, mag-picture-picture muna tayo.
Calor Hot Spring got its name from the Spanish word that means hot. So it is kind of redundant calling this place Calor Hot Spring because literally it means hot spring. One of the interesting areas of this place is the portion where the cold river meets the hot river.
At ito yun siya, kung saan nagpang-abot ang malamig at mainit na tubig. Cool, di ba?
Ito yung cool!
Hindi, ang ibig kong sabihin, cool itong nakita natin.
Ang cool talaga! At ito pa ang cool! The plan of the local government unit of Burauen and other partner agencies is to construct an elevated pathway here so guests would just observe and marvel at the surroundings without actually stepping on the soil.
That is so naturally cool, di ba? That is so because the surroundings would be preserved and visitors would not damage the area. Pero wait, at bago kami mabasa sa kakalaro sa tubig, that is a wrap for this episode.
We hope that, like us, you also enjoyed this naturally cool episode. Let us know what you guys think by leaving down a comment.
Don't forget to like Burauen Tourism Best of Burauen page and give this video a like, heart, wow, and share for more upcoming videos.
See you guys in the 5th episode of this naturally cool Mahagnao Volcano Natural Park video vlog.